Okay, this lesson, let me talk about the looks under this panel. If you click look, so you'll see all the styles here, and let's see, tell you what its look is. Basically, the looks is about the costumes. For any sprite, like the sprite we have about the cat, and if you click the costume, so you can actually have multiple, costume. That's actually the if you want to do the animation of the cat, you can draw a lot of similar one. See if they turn around and then their face back, and you can all the side view and all different kind of angle. So you can make that available, and then you actually can do an animation or tell a story when the character turn around, walk away, this kind of stuff. And then how would you change the costume so that it can show the animation? For this one, we only have two costumes, so we can make a loop. See, let's go to control and go this forever, and then when add the click the green flag and then go to the looks, and you can just simply go next costume and just and then if you do this, you can click. If you click, so you can see it's constantly shifting back and forth between the two costumes, because the forever just keep going to the next costume, right? uh, of course there's some other way to do. If you look at the this is next costume. This is actually, if you use this one, is just simply switch to. This is explanation because I hold too long. You can see again the explanation of each tile. So if you want to use this, for example, just say switch to costume 2. If you click, this is actually already in costume 2. So if you change to costume 1, click, so it's just switch to the specific costume you want. And you can even do the costume numbers. For example, if you make this variable uh, costume number, okay, costume number is actually the current value of the costume. So now if you click this, tick this, and you're gonna see what's the current costume the sprite is on. It's sometimes very useful to know which costume it is on now. Uh, this under the looks, and there are some tiles is useful to when you want to design a story, so you can let the character say something. This is a say something and hold for 2 seconds, and you can change this numbers, right? You can change to any numbers, and the think and the say, they're just different. You can see right now they have a. If you click, you can see here there's a bubble showing that they're thinking, and if you click the say, so it's just like this kind of symbol to show that they're saying, right? And this one is for time. This one is for no time limit. And then next is called a change the effect of your sprite. Now let's try this. So if I just put the change color and under here, and then if we click, so you can see it's keep changing its color, right? So sometimes you need this kind of effect. And also now notice that uh, the the color here, actually there's a lot of different kind of thing. You can just uh, check yourself, right? See this kind of stuff, right? And then if you made a mask, like for example, if you do the next one, you can't really see what's the character is. In that case, you can do the. Let's stop this, and you do the clear graphic effects. If you clear, so it's just back to normal. So yeah, this is the And of course, the difference between the change this by something and then set something is just this set the color effect to a definite number. So this is just changes the current number, right? And then you also can change the size and or change the size to a definite number, and you can even show what's the current size is, right? And then you can even hide your sprite and show your sprite, and also you can make your sprite go to front and it go back to one layer. Now what does that mean? So if you have multiple, let me just get a more sprites. So this sprite, if you look at it here, so the new sprite of this person is actually in front of the cat. And if I click the if I click look, if I let it go back one layer, you can see what's happening. It's going back of the cat, right? If you click the go to front to the person, it's gonna go front. So basically, you can have multiple sprites. They overlap. So that would be very important to understand that. Of course, you can hide your sprite and show it. Okay, so that's basically something about the looks.